Hey guys, so I want to share today how I use Chat GPT to actually create a software for me. Let's jump right in. Okay, so here on the screen you see my video script timer, and the way it works is you can paste your script here or the total word count. For example, I have a script that's, let's say it's 500 words. Let's say it's an average speed, calculate time. This tells me that is around 2 minutes and 46 seconds. So this is the estimated duration of the video for a 500 word count script. Or you can type something like, hey guys, this is Chris, and in this video I'm going to share you 20 digital product ideas. And then you click here and it's gonna say at average narration speed. This is gonna take 21 seconds, okay, and it has 64 words. If I change this, okay, let's do it faster, maybe 16 seconds. Or let's do this slower, 32 seconds. So let's see if this is accurate. Let me get an actual video from YouTube and see how it does compared to these two. Okay, so I'm gonna open YouTube here. I have this video open here from Adam, just a sample video. It has 25 minutes and 15 seconds. So we copy the URL here. Let's go to this YouTube transcript tool. By the way, this is not my tool, but here, let's copy the text, the whole transcription of the video. Oops, bear with me here. Okay, copied. Now let's come here and paste, and let's leave average speed. Let me just see one thing here.
You how to build a complete marketing strat.
Okay, yeah, he does speak at an average speed, maybe slightly faster, but let's see how does this pair. So his video has 25 minutes and 15 seconds. So here average speed, calculate 4,613 words in 25 minutes and 37 seconds. Wow, that's kind of impressive because we're off for just a couple seconds. 25, 15, 16 against 25, 37. So you see you can use this tool for like timing how long your video is gonna be. Let's hop into how did I do this tool. So we come here to Chat GPT and we can see here I created a new chat called JavaScript narration. And here I said, write a JavaScript tool that calculates the estimated time for a narrated script. The calculation is done by counting the total words and the speed of narration. This tool should have 3 fields and so on. So then ChatGPT produced the first piece of the code, and I kept asking some modifications and changes and testing the tool here. As you can see, I'm not gonna go over coding. I don't know if that's your strength, but I went here a couple directions, but ChatGPT was coding this for me. You can see here I'm scrolling fast to the screen. I had a couple directions, but this took me around 30-35 minutes and I had a whole tool done for me, which now it's available for you here at video-script-timer.info. Okay, feel free to use it. It's free. I done as a courtesy, as a test here. So go at ChatGPT, play with the tool, maybe code something or just ask some weird stuff that you want to know, and let me know here in the comments how did it go. Okay, feel free to ask any questions and I'll do my best to answer you guys. Thank you.